Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we are going to look at our new number today, and that is the number 5. 5. When we count to 5, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Good. All right, so to write the number 5, we have our poem that will help us remember. It says, short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. So we pull down, give him a big belly, and then a hat. So short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. Good. All right, so let's look. This is a hand holding up 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Can you hold up 5 fingers? Good. This is our tens frame with 5 counters in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. This is a group of 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is a die with 5 dots on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 5. Bye, guys.